What you'll need: Dia Color tube, choose your desired shade; Dia activator, developer, application brush, mixing bowl, gloves, towel, or cape to protect clothing. Steps to apply Dia Color. Start by wearing gloves to protect your hands. Mixing. In a non-metallic bowl, mix Dia Color with the Dia activator in a 1:1 ratio. Stir the mixture well to ensure it's fully blended. Section the hair to ensure even application. Start applying the mixture at the roots and work your way down to the ends using a color brush. Processing time. Let the product develop for 20 to 35 minutes, depending on the desired color intensity and hair type. Rinse and condition. After the processing time is complete, rinse the hair thoroughly with lukewarm water until the water runs clear. Apply the recommended conditioner to lock in moisture and shine, then rinse again. Dry and style as usual to reveal vibrant, glossy color.